Continuing with the topic of the economic activities, today we're going to discover the importance of mining. Yesterday we saw a video, well, I showed you a video that talked about all those economic activities, the primary economic activities, which is fishing, forest, agriculture, as well as ranching. Well, today we're going to discover the importance of mining. This is one of the other gifts that we obtain from our soil. In each layer, as we can later see, each layer will give us a different mineral, which is going to be used or has been used for several years for different purposes and to make our life more simple. Well, let's continue by seeing what is the definition of mining. Mining would be another economic activity that deals with finding depots of minerals and energy resources and extracting them. But what are hydrocarbons? As you can see there in your screen, in your book, page 26, you can see that highlight letter that says that are minerals and organic compounds made up of carbon and hydrogen molecules like oil and natural gas. Let's go to the next image that is going to show us where is the economic activity of this economic activity of mining, where does it take place in our country? Let's see, we can find oil in some areas, as well as natural gas and coal. One of the investigations that you had to develop was to investigate what were the economic activities that go around in our country. Another thing that would be very interesting for us to do is to investigate what is the mineral that we obtain in this region of Mexico, which is Sonora. So that is it's going to be one of your next activities for next week, that you are going to investigate what are the minerals that we obtain here in our state in Sonora. There are two types of depots. We're going to see them in the next image, and it's going to be the open pit and the closed pit. What are the characteristics of each of them? Well, a closed pit, as you can see in the image, is going to be like a huge hole. Well, some of the minerals that we're going to find in our mines are going to be the gypsum, clay, that are extracted from open pits. You're going to see further the image of an open pit. This mine is a large pit that is dug in the earth and terraces that are created in order to extract resources. Other resources like iron, gold, copper, and lead are extracted in underground mines drilled into the rock, creating tunnels and passages below the Earth's surface. Such as oil and natural gas are extracted using both land and deep sea wells. The extraction of mineral resources is very important since industries directly depend on them. Products like roots, beams, and dental and surgical implants are made by combining iron and carbon to form steel. Gold and silver are used in metallurgical industries to produce jewelry and decorative objects. Others like nickel are used for coins, while copper is used to make electrical cables. Aluminium is one of the most commonly found minerals in the world and is used to produce parts for car bodies and different products for everyday use like kitchens utensils.